how they feel good build, how they feel actually build good relationship?
So make I answer? Well, I mean, first of all, from the madam perspective, it they necessary make you they treat people like say they be human being, you know? You know they nice make you treat them like say they be less than human being and stuff. Like for example, you go see madam and the housemaid they look very tacky, very dirty and unkept, while the madam and the children they look good. Sometimes some of these madam self no they even take care of them like food and all of that. I mean, these are things where fit influence the person's mind to do something negative. But on the other hand, get as somebody go do something bad to you, make you do that kind of stuff, you know. I mean, nothing, go warrant make person do stuff like that. Because we all get strengths, we all get weaknesses. So as a maid or something, you fit make up your mind, say, you won't come out for the house or you won't go find another place if you're not being treated well, instead of, attacking your madam like that.
I tell you. Well, for me, first of all, I would say a lot of people where they position to get housemaids, they don't actually know how to treat them right. The fact a person they serve you as maid or as help or anything where you want to call them, no means say you make you treat them like say no be human being. Right. I don't see a lot of cases where people go use their housemaids like say them be slaves, not maids anymore. Some go tell the housemaid then chop from plates where dog they chop from. Some go say make the housemaid chop leftover. The thing where you no go fit take as human being, no, you not supposed dumb to another person. Maybe forget the fact say okay now you be madam. Imagine say now you be the maid. How you go want make them treat you now? Now you supposed they treat the person where they because they say when you they climb ladder. Say they okay, make you match people. If you did sure, say you know will come down again. And definitely nobody know for life whether when you climb up, you know will come down again. So as they climb up, they greet people where they meet for every step where you they climb. So for me, I could just say treat your mates the way where you go once make person treat you to say life hand you that same hand, say you be made. So if you know say you go one maid and maltreat you, then you maltreat the person because at the end of the day anything will happen. That maid where they serve you tomorrow if you become wife of the president, so what you go fit talk at that time?
Yeah, when I don't talk, what when I want talk, and like exactly what they play out to our everyday people where they deal with house help. But more look in the other hand, even though we don't believe on psychology or the what do they call them now? If husband and wife get problem, who do they go meet? Counselor. Now some picking we don't grow up inside poverty, all in life, say poverty, not just waiting in don't become. And when you see rich people, I don't meet 2, 3, 4, 5 people go say, when I rich people na fear afford them. When I rich people na fit talk like that. So the music where they play inside here now, when you are rich, that means you dey mean. You dey different from us. You understand? Now the side where me they come from be that. I not talk say what the girl do they right. But before you get made, you need to understand where that made to they come from so that when our feet meet for the same junction. If the person know they positive to himself, talk say, I feel change. Anything where you do to that person, you go feel saying a wickedness. Now just so it be. The person go feel say, okay, you didn't mean to that. I not talk say I don't see mostly young people now where they marry, where they get made. To me, I'll just advise families, make them stop them. Because the way that they treat them, they feel like say, okay, me don't arrive. Because the way where elderly person go feel take treat made. Because the elderly person don't see life the other way. You don't see about you picking where them born inside wealth, grow inside wealth, marry the wedding self, then shut down the whole town. Then marry, can't give her a house help. What do you expect make you do? You go do what you not expect. But parents will hustle with their money, go inside rain, go inside sun. When somebody they stay with them, the way that they handle them, they different. That one aside. So, but me, I say when they bring maid, it depends on where you they carry the maid come from. The mentality go there different. Exactly. It gets some maid that they spend money on top of them, but I tell you, they still they wicked. I know one from my church where the woman actually they buy clothes for them, the same place they buy clothes, they eat the same dining with you. But the girl not just mingle with the children. She they feel bad. You know what thing she can't talk? When the woman come later, find out, say, the people they complain. You know what she said? When she they eat, she they feel pains because her younger ones they house they eat, and she they see these children they mess the food. So the pain and the anger, she they beat those children with them. So you see psychologically that pikin no they stable. Yes. So you can't bring and come wear children like that. They should not go everly want treat them well. Right. You understand? So to me now 50-50, but in other words, you know rich. Is either you just go, just tell the madam say you they go down. You go because now double wahala.
No, exactly. Seriously, because I just go with exactly what you maybe talk. Because I get one story where I been see the girl, the house help where they use 7-year-old. Be just 7. But I wonder why they go use like a 7-year-old going to house help for house.
They are modern slaves for me.
7-year-old,
modern
but
slaves.
small Pikin she be. Okay, the 7-year-old go take care of Pikin, as in when you
Pikin, they take care of Pikin.
That's what I'm saying. They are
take care
modern
of
day slaves, my
you
darling.
just give birth. You know, okay, you won't go find house help. Now 7-year-old, you see as house help to go take care of 8-month-old baby. When you go house, you go work, come back, come meet the Pikin for house. That's still the story. When somebody,
Okay, so
one
you
of
should
my
leave
lawyer,
the 7-year-old with the 8-month-old
with the Pikin inside house.
Yeah,
now.
she has said they're supposed to arrest her.
Here now, the story where I see one of my friend post now, she's a lawyer. She said she entered police station, she won't go report case. Then she see the small Pikin inside police station, they don't batter this Pikin. When I mean batter, you don't batter and the face contour, the leg tear. This, as I look the picture, I got the pity the Pikin and I say, oh my God, what's exactly happened to this Pikin? Now she can narrate the whole story. Say she just entered. When she see the Pikin they try sit down for one side. You know if you sit down for the other side. Wetin happen? She say her madam beat her. Say she dey hungry. Say she wan chop food. And she no come see, as in, she won't take the food, but I come talk and say, make she no touch that food. Now she can't wait, they do the work. And she can't want faint. She can't run enter neighbor house. Can't ask the neighbor, say, make the neighbor give her food, chop, so she never chop. Now that incidence made madam come back. She finished it. How you go the beg for food? Oh, no. That she beat the Pikin so.
Can you imagine?
7-year-old.
And some wives, they frustrated with their husband. They look
Are you
for
gonna
who they
take-
won't put the
You
madness
gonna look
on
this
top.
woman and say, you just born Pikin. If this Pikin fall into the hands of this girl when she don't situation, how you go take her? Some of them no they ever think am. Like that's what we say at the follow queen, because if you never mature reach that side to carry
Person
a
stay with you.
Pikin, no try am. Because and in fact, a entirely different human being now you carry put for house.
Yeah.
So if you ready, you know say like she talk, the mentality of that Pikin, you don't know how it take be. You get some people just get luck. Say that Pikin they very what do they call this thing? Soft-headed, yes, stable. You don't get bad thing for head. But when the Pikin don't get different things for it, they don't mature for village, you can't bring and can't city. Oh my God. Be ready for anything where you go face. But you need to also be very kind, open and understanding. That's
Thank
in fact that
you. For
I
you
just
using
said.
that kind, open and understanding, I feel now the ultimate for me rather than maturity, because I don't see a lot of matured people where you expect for them to treat other people with kindness. Now then they actually put this pain on their housemate. A lot of people where I don't see.
Sure.
And nowadays, the people where they see now, where they take good care of their mates, now the younger ones. Now my sister, I didn't even fear for my sister. Why? Because she's too good to her nanny. Just too good. Like yes, the other day, they called the nanny for phone. I told the nanny, please wear her that fine, expensive dress I wear. I know you'll be jealous because your mommy did not do it for you. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll buy your own. As in, the phone where the girl they,
like sister.
Sister.
as in she reach out like this. As in the phone where the girl they use. Now phone where even me I know they use expensive phone. Anything where the girl wants, she'd always give the girl. But me I did fear because. How can you be good enough? How
If you did good to a fault.
good enough, as in because
You know say she fit dey good
Because
to a fault,
sometimes you
because that
too
girl.
stretch your
I
hand.
don't see
Yes,
they go take her for
What did
Yeah.
she do to the second nanny too? Where that one steal all her things, come out.
Well, the truth be say, you know, we don't feel stop to they do good.
Yeah, but it paid to just day good.
Yes, you
Yeah,
know,
it pays to
because
pay good.
because the fact we say if you stop to the do good, you get person where they somewhere around the world where go lose the benefit of your kindness.
We will actually end on that
Because-
note because I actually like that particular one. If you stop to they do good. Now when we come back after the break, other things there for us to talk on top of the show. So all you need to do now to stay with us, not go anywhere.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.